In remodeling, a lot of times we're dealing with new and we're trying to make it blend and mesh with old, and we want to try to match what's in the existing house and not clash. So for trim, sometimes that's easy. Sometimes we can go and just buy something off the shelf and it's perfect. In older homes, it's not always easy. So a tip that I always use, and I always tell guys, is I use these contour tools. And it's just these needles, these feeler gauge kind of needles, and they basically contour to different shapes. And the way I use them is I'll use them to match up trim and molding. And I first load it, and then for instance, if I want to look at this crown molding here, I'm going to push on the crown molding in and then come back out. So that's going to give me a profile, and I'm going to take this profile, I'm going to scribe it, trace it on a piece of paper and try to match it up to the moldings at the lumber yards. And sometimes if that doesn't work, I'll bring it to a mill shop and have them mill it up for me, or I'll have a molding knife made and we'll put it on a Williams Hussey machine and we'll make our own molding to match these old houses. But this is a contour guide. It's like $15 and it's a great tool when you're in remodeling, trying to match profiles. I'll talk to you guys later.